Hi, my name is... Ah!
Hey guys, so as you might remember, like a few videos ago, I did a mini review on the seaweed extract, and that is still what I use as a fertilizer, but what I noticed today when I was about to go water is that I'm out. So I figured why not show you guys today kind of how to set it up, and then just show you the easy way to just water the plants. So let's just kind of jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is pour it out so it is exactly 1/4 cup, or 2 ounces. I'm not really sure why they picked this amount to go in, however it does work, so I'm not really going to question it. And then what you're going to want to do is just pour this into the gallon jug. For anyone wondering what kind of water I use, it's well water. I don't use the city tap water because usually that has a lot of chlorine and a few other things that have, would kill the bacteria in some of the soil. So if you have just well water, it would be best to do that. You can also use distilled water or reverse osmosis water because that takes out all the particles that are in the, well, not all of them, but most of the particles that are in the water, which can kill the bacteria on your plants. So I'm just going to pour this and see you in a second. Alright, so as you can see, I put it all in there, however it is not mixed up. So the next step, make sure you have your finger on the cap and the cap is on, and then shake it. Yeah, anyways, so all mixed up. One thing you're going to want to do is before you pour in the fertilizer or the extract, whatever you want to call it, you want to make sure that you have enough room at the top of the gallon jug just in case, so it doesn't overflow. So I would suggest leaving it, well, as you can see on this jug, it says a gallon right there, and then the water level was just right at the bottom of the letters. I would say that's pretty appropriate, the place to put it. It got me pretty much to halfway up to the cap. So now what I'm going to do is just show you an easy way to apply the fertilizer, because one thing that you may or may not notice when you water is that the water can sit on top. So I'm just going to show you a way that you can get it to actually soak through a lot faster. So on to the plants now. Alright, so as you can see, my soil is pretty dry, which means I need to water. So, like I said, sometimes you may notice that if you water, the water will just sit on top and it doesn't really soak through, meaning that a lot of the fertilizer stuff will just sit on top and it won't actually go down to the roots. Now don't hold me accountable for that if that's actually not true. That's just some of the things that I've noticed. So what you're going to want to do is just spray it a few times. That gets the top of the soil kind of wet, and that also acts as somewhat like a sponge, because now when I water with the fertilizer, you notice how it just soaks through automatically. It doesn't sit on top at all, which means I know that all the nutrients from the extract are getting deep down and doing what they're supposed to do. So that is just the basic way to apply the fertilizer. I'm just going to go through and water all my plants now, and see you in a second. Okay, so everything's all watered, and as you can see, I'm pretty much out of fertilizer. But that's okay, because you only have to apply it like once every 2 weeks. So, one other thing that you could do after you are finished fertilizing just the soil is actually put some of it in a spray bottle and just spray down the leaves and stems and such. I forgot exactly what this does. I know that Luke over at the MI Gardener channel has explained it on when I did this one of the other videos. I don't really know, but however, it does absorb some of the stuff through the leaves and stems. So just spray it down. It's no exact quantity of how much or how little. Just spraying just kind of helps. So I'm gonna go through and do that, and I'll hopefully have videos for you guys over the trip, of which I'm going down to somewhere in Oregon. I know it has like a national park, so there's going to be a few more, not really garden videos, but hopefully nature videos. So if you guys would be interested in that, I'll have them up. But anyways, hopefully I'll see you guys then. So, bye.